Here we have your Caldera Vacanza Series controls. We'll walk through the functions and how they work. You have your jets button and your lights button. Your jets button, you can function the different sides of the jets in the hot tub, whether it be jets 1 or jets 2. The lights you can turn on and then dim down with that light button. There's a couple of shortcuts in order to get your spa up and running right away. We'll kind of go through those now. You'll notice the two mode buttons here. If you hit the mode up button, the first function is sys on or system on. If we hit the plus button, that's your on button, minus would be off. When this is displayed on the screen and you hit the plus button, it turns both jet pumps on to high speed, your lights on, everything all together at once. Minus, of course, would turn everything off. It would be your off button for the entire system. The next mode in the controls there would be the clean cycle. We recommend running the clean cycle by hitting the plus button. Every time you get out of the hot tub, it sends a 10-minute jet propulsion of water going through your filtration and sanitation system. You cover the spa up and walk away. That one you usually just turn on rather than turning on and off. It'll turn itself off in that 10-minute time period. The next function would be the tools. If we hit the plus button to go into the tools category here, the temperature lock would lock the temperature from being adjusted by anybody else or it being accidentally turned down by somebody. You can use the plus to turn it on or the minus to turn it off. The next mode is the system lock or sys lock, and that would turn off any of the buttons from being functioned on the control pad there. Next mode would be lights. Now we're in the tools, but the lights have kind of their own separate subcategory. So if we hit the plus button, we can go in and change the dimness of the lighting in the hot tub. Use the mode to toggle into the next option, which would be color. We'd use the plus or minus button to go through the different colors of lights. The next mode function would be the loop speed, and that's the speed in which the lights change color on their own. There's 1, 2, and 3 speeds, 3 being the fastest. Next mode here, it says exit. Whenever it says exit on the screen, if we hit the plus button, it exits out of the category that we're in. So now we're in the lights function. Now we've gotten out of the lights, but we're still in the tools. Economy mode is a mode that we don't typically use in our climate real often. It turns circulation off in the hot tub for a period of time so that you don't exceed any desired temperature in the spa. Something that you probably won't need to run into using in this area, but if you have questions about it, you can give us a call and we can kind of go through the details of it. The next mode here says filter 1. Now these are the different preset filter cycles on this spa. So if we hit the plus button to go into the filter cycles, we can adjust them. The factory settings we find are great on the Vacanza series. So filter cycle 1 is 1 hour of filtration per day. We're going to go ahead and hit mode there to get to exit. Exit out. Now it says filter 2. We want to go into filter 2. And it says 30 minutes. So the second filtration cycle would be 30 minutes a day. This is appropriate for the Vacanza series and getting the right amount of filtration and sanitation in the hot tub daily. When it says exit, of course, we hit the plus button to take us out. That's everything inside the tools. If we hit the mode button again, it takes us back to the home screen where it would tell us the temperature, would tell us whether the lights or jets are on. And of course, to adjust the temperature, we use the plus or minus button that we were using as the on-off button within the tools and other functions. That should pretty much conclude your Vacanza series control pad.